Hello again. This is the CodeReady version of the chain of responsibility design pattern. Now the example of the chain of responsibility design pattern is the digestive system. Well, our digestive system can be broken down into three different actors, players: your mouth, your stomach, and your intestines. The food goes into your mouth and then your stomach and then your intestines, and these actors, these digesters, are actually digesting the food. And the outcome of this class main method, the design pattern, is mouth is digesting the hamburger, the food, and stomach, and then intestines. So how did we implement this? Well, basically, we have created a unique interface for all of the players in the digestive system, and it was the digester. Okay, your mouth, your stomach, and your intestines are digesters, but they should also implement a method called digest, and this is actually the responsibility. Now the responsibility of the chain of responsibility. Okay, stomach, mouth, and intestines. Let's take a look at these classes. A mouth implements the digester and it has the digest method inside, and the next digester as an instance variable. Therefore, this creates the chain. So if I set the next digester inside the class, I can call the next digester to digest. Just like mouth, the same implementation is here inside the stomach. It has a private variable for digester. Digester is set from outside the world, and after the digestion inside the stomach, the food goes to next digester. Now, this isn't a concrete chain. You don't know, actually this stomach class doesn't know the next digester, doesn't know the type of the next digester, and it doesn't have to know. It just has to call the digest method of the next digester. All of these digesters, mouth, stomach, and intestines, are doing exactly the same thing. The chain is actually stored inside these classes, these implementations, because I have set the next digester of this mouth as stomach and next digester of the stomach as intestines. Okay, and when I call the mouth to digest the hamburger, okay, mouth is digesting the food and proceeding to the next digester, which is the stomach. Now I could have skipped the stomach and I could have gone straight to intestines after the mouth in this structure, because I have created an interface, unique interface for digester. I can add any kind of different digesters into the system. I can implement lots of different digesters, and I can actually set them as next digesters of any digester. And also, I do not have to store the chain inside my program, my code. I don't have to keep track of the digestion. Although you would like to avoid some kind of infinite loop, let's say if you were to set the next digester of the intestine as the mouth, which would be unpleasant, but it would also create an infinite loop: mouth, stomach, intestine, mouth, stomach, intestine. Okay, so that's all about the chain of responsibility design pattern. I'll see you in the next implementation video. Thank you for watching.